Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody, on this Tuesday morning. It's the 22nd day of August, and it's going to be another excessively hot day across many states. As a matter of fact, I have not counted how many states are under heat alerts today and excessive heat warnings. We are under a heat advisory that continues not only today, but they've extended it at least through tomorrow, and maybe beyond that. We'll see. It's going to be a very hot week and still dry. We're storm free with that big upper high, which is sinking air. It's over Missouri. The sinking air tends to stifle development of showers and thunderstorms. So I've got us dry at least through Saturday, maybe a small 20% chance by the time Sunday gets here. Yesterday we had a heat index that made it up to 106. And I think today we're at least that high, maybe 108. The record high for today is 103. I think that record is safe, but will be in record territory tomorrow. The record is 100, and I think we are hotter than that on Wednesday on the actual thermometer, not the heat index. The heat index levels will be excessive, maybe as high as 110 over the next few days. And I think records could be broken even later in the week, especially like I think the Thursday record is probably safe. Friday, Saturday, those records are in jeopardy as well. So the relentless heat continues, and so take precautions and stay hydrated. And of course, we've had this heat wave going for most of the summer for many states across the central and southern U.S. Out in the tropics, there is a tropical storm named Harold in the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, it was named last night. It is heading for landfall in Texas this morning. It's going to be a big potential flooding system, as far as flooding rainfall. And out in the Atlantic, there's also Gert, which we don't care about. Franklin's a little bit more interesting. Franklin could become a hurricane over the next few days. It is in the Caribbean. And it has the potential to maybe turn out into sea, or if it doesn't get picked up by a trough, maybe edge westward. Yeah, that's an interesting scenario for Franklin. And there's also a invest and another area to watch in the Atlantic as well. All right, now you're up to date. This is your forecast discussion. If you're watching on YouTube, there's information on how to get to our blog on Facebook, on what used to be called Twitter, and also on our website, richthomasweathernetwork.com, and also on our weather app. All right? Everything's normal this morning. We're live on the radio 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You'll find us another forecast discussion and video tomorrow morning. Usually that's in the 4 o'clock hour. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Here in the city of Montgomery, this is election day, so don't forget to go out and vote if you are here in Montgomery, and I'll see you at the polls. Have a good day. Stay cool.